So guys, in today's Django video, I am telling you about how to prepare a template. So now get ready for that. So please hit the like button, share your friends and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also so never miss our future latest videos. So now I did not take a long time, so let's move to the computer screen and let's learn about in the Django what a prepared template. So let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. So guys, in today's Django video, I am telling about the prepared template. If you don't know, in the Django what are prepared templates, in today's video, the whole concept will be clear about it. And some people are asking me why our videos are very small, the Django videos are very big, but your videos are very small. My videos are very smaller because I'm telling you the video in the parts. I'm not telling you this whole thing in the one video. I'm telling you in the parts. So that's why my video is smaller. What people can do, people make one video about the Django template, and in that video people whole thing it cover about the template, but I'm making the videos in the parts, so that's my video is very smaller. But whatever, first of all let's see how to create a template. So let's start. Like in the previous video we see how to update the models files, and we learn many things in that video. So in today's video let's prepare a template. So let's start. After creating a models, if you don't know how to create the model, so like the previous video I have already told you, after creating the models with the fields and data we want in them, it is time to display the data in a web page. Okay, now it's time to display the data in the web page. If you display the data in the web page, you want to make a one HTML file, and you don't know how to make a HTML file and how to place it. Let me tell you. Just take a patience. Start by creating an HTML file named allmembers.html. That means you start and then you create a one file of HTML. It names will be called allmembers.html. How you can create it? First of all, here I click onto the home. I open it my email. If you are clicking here and it's giving you like this type of output, so what you can do, you remove here one of your REPL that are not important, so you remove it from here. Then you can click onto the REPL, then you can easily make a Django file. So now when I open my Django file, so here first of all let me close my these files. So when I clear so now what I can do when I clear my old file, so let me tell you what you can do. Now first of all you can do like that, and what can do first of all here, now it will be here. So now okay, so what you can do, you make one file of HTML. So what you can do, you give him the file name like all then this, then members.html. Then when you make this file here, so let me tell you what you can do. Then replace it in the templates folder. What you then you can place this in the templates folder. Where is our templates folder? Let me see that. Okay, let me see that. Where's templates folder? Okay, let me remove this file, delete it. Let me make folder templates. Okay, there's one folder about the template. So what you can do, you will be replace it here. So now here you can say I replace it in my templates folder. So now what you can do, let me tell you. Where's that? Okay, now in that file you wrote this type of code. Okay, copy it and paste it in the HTML file. You place this type of code. Now do you see the bracket percentage brackets inside the HTML document? Did you see that? Yeah, I'm seeing that. Here it is. Here you can see it in the 10th line. They are Django tags. What? They are Django tags telling Django to perform some programming logic inside these brackets. You will learn more about Django tags in our Django tags chapter. Modify view. Next we need to make the model data available in the template. This is done in the view, in the views.py file. In the view we have to import the member model and send it to the template like this. Here you can see this one example. When I copy this example and when I go on my views.py file, where is my views.py file? Let me show you. this one my views.py file when I paste this code here. Okay, so now let me tell you what you can do. Come on here, your Django file again. The members view does the following: creates a my members object with all values of the member model. Then it loads the all members.html template. Then it creates an object containing the my members object. Then it sends the object to the template. Then outputs the HTML that is rendered by the template. The result. We have created an example so that you can see the result. This step. Now, if you have followed all the steps on your own computer, you can see the result in your browser. Okay, if you follow the whole steps which we are covering in our previous videos. Then start the server by navigating to the My Tennis Club folder and execute this command. What type of command? Let me show you. You're going to shell right here pymanage.py run server. So here you can see it. Okay, this is a Replit. I do not write this. If you are on Visual Studio Code, so you can write that. Okay. Where's our web view? This is our web view. So why web view is going? When I run it, okay, it's giving me file home runner. Okay, let me log out it from here. Then when I log out it, I click on this sign up for free. Then I click on continue with Google. Should take a little bit loading, but it will be opened very successfully. Then when it will be opened, I open my Django, my email. Then when I open my email, so then it take a little bit loading, but it will be opened very successfully like that. Then I open my Django file. Then when I open my Django file, so now, sorry, this is not my Django file. Okay, let me log out it from here. Let me sign up for free. Then continue with Google. And if I go here, if I delete that from here, and if I go here, and if I code with Ryan, now it take a little bit loading. If you want the output, so you can do this if you are using the Replit. Okay. So then it take a little bit loading, but it will be open it like that. And here's our templates folder. In the templates folder, I give the name like all members. Then run it. Can't file open. Okay. So what can I do when I remove it from here? You do not have permission to delete the REPL. Why? Let me see. Yes, delete the REPL. Okay, my account has been logged out. Though that's why it is not running. When I click, then I go, then I open Django, then I create a REPL. That take a little bit loading, but it will be opened very easily. Yes, then when it will be opened, then you can run it from here. Then when you run it, so here you can see it. It is run it very successfully, yes. So now here you can see it. But if you want a different output, so let me show you how. You can go here, right click, inspect. So when you go here, you can write, here you can erase it. You write here, hello world. Okay, so when I now go here, you can see it is coming the hello world. Here you can see it. Like that you can do it. In the browser window, type in the address bar. Okay, you type this type of address bar. So here you can see it. So here you can see it in today's Django, very small video of Django. I'm telling you about how to prepare a template in the Django. And here you can see it, we easily prepared the template, and here our output has been very easily has become like that. So here you can see in today's video we learned about it. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please hit a like button, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also, so to have a base of future latest videos. So now I meet you next class in next video. I'm making like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.